Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to install the Warn winch and the Warn controller onto my SCX10ii. I'm going to try to use the stock bumper. We'll see what happens, but my goal is to get it installed with the stock bumper. I've installed a few of these, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this video going over everything because I don't want to be redundant, but I am curious to see if this will fit. That's the main purpose of this video, is to see if I can put the RC 4-wheel drive Warn winch to a stock Chevy K5 Axial SCX10ii. First thing that's automatic, I have to lose this little front house, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I did untie the tow hook just so I can get it out. I'm also going to leave it untied so I can get it into the front of the bumper. Okay, so just tinkering around a little bit, took the bottom plate off of the winch. It's not going to fit, so I'm going to go ahead and exercise plan B. So here's plan B. Plan B is the SSD aluminum winch. This is actually for the TRX4, or it lists the SCX10ii. So I am using it for my K5 Blazer. I think it looks pretty cool. I think the way the fit is on the front, I think it actually fits up pretty nicely. It's a little bit narrower. It's a little bit more narrow than the body, but I actually think it looks neat. It's not bulky, it doesn't stick out, so less likely to get hung up on things. And I could mount the winch. This bumper wasn't a direct fit for this. What I had to do was actually take the bracket here and flip it upside down, put it on, and then I could get the bumper on no problem. The bumper from SSD is made to hold a winch, and 4 screws at the bottom just go directly into the bottom plate of the winch. This bar is all aluminum. It's really not that heavy, but it does add a little bit of weight to the front end. It does not come with the D-links. These are actually Traxxas D-links that I had extra, so I threw these on. So now that I have a solution to actually mount the winch, I'm going to go ahead and finish the installation. And I'm using a hardwired winch control. This will go directly into my receiver, into an auxiliary port, and I can control this actually with my DX5R. I've done other videos on the winches, so not really going to go too in depth on how to hook this up, but going to go ahead and do it, and I'll be back. So for tonight, I didn't go crazy. I just used some double stick tape to stick the control unit onto the floor pan, and I have an extension that runs off of the receiver. I simply ran a Y connector off that extension so I could plug the winch in, and then I also have an open port. That open port will be used to plug in the lights that are in the body. Is this ideal? I don't know. I don't really feel like pulling everything apart. I'm tired, it's been a long day, and this will work for now. So until I open the receiver box for something else, it's probably going to stay like this. So on the front bumper, you probably noticed that I lost the lights that come with the stock bumper. Not really heartbroken about it. I really don't care. I have headlights in the body, and I think maybe one day I'll put a light bar on the actual rig on the roof. So the fact that I lost the 2 lights up front, I'm not really that worried about it. To complete this front bumper, I did pick up the SSD. This is the Scale Hulse Fairlead. So I'm going to go ahead and get this put on. So on my DX5R, I set the channel aux1 to input D, the 3 position, cyclic is inhibit, momentary is inhibit, and when I hit the D button, the winch works. Alright guys, so that's about it. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon. Take care.